So apparently some of you thought my last video was not ranty enough. So I'm back today and I'm going to rant. I might not even talk about data, but I definitely will rant. I promise you that. And what I want to rant about is something that actually bugs me more than I'd care to admit. It's imposter syndrome. So I'm relatively new to this whole Python data space and industry. And now I work at Coiled and I'm surrounded by a lot of brilliant people. It gets intimidating sometimes. And I found myself recently whining a little bit about this to my partner, saying, I feel like such a noob sometimes. And she looked at me and she said, well, babe, you are. And I thought, that is so true. I am new to this. And so what I'm ranting about right now is not the fact that I'm new to it, but rather this sort of drive or need that I feel to pretend that I'm not. Literally, as I was making this video, I came across this LinkedIn post. It's a post by Vin Fascista, in which he talks about how it is possible to learn data science in 6 months, but you really need to have a team of experienced people around you to be able to do real-life data science work. And I thought this was a super refreshing post. And I actually think the single most important lesson I've learned over the last few months is to put my ego aside and just ask for help when I need it. I'm really grateful to Matt Rockland and the team at Coiled for building a culture where that is okay. Nobody knows everything that's going on, so it's okay to make mistakes, and it's definitely okay to ask for help. So yeah, I'd be really curious to hear from folks how you navigate the sort of vast expanse of information that is the PyData ecosystem, and how you deal with situations in which you're operating outside of your comfort zone. Feel free to drop some anecdotes or some questions in the comments. And I'd also love to hear from folks if there are any topics that you would like me to rant about in future videos. So definitely drop those in the comments. Thanks for watching.